Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy F12 and let me share with you how to change SIM pin on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down again to tap on other security settings, and here we've got the option set up SIM card lock. So let's tap on it and tap on change SIM card pin. And as you can see right now we have to simply enter our current SIM pin, so let me do it, tap on OK. And right now we can enter new one. So let's enter, for example, something like this, tap on OK, and here we have to re-enter it in order to confirm. So let's tap on OK. And here we've got the information that the SIM pin has been changed successfully, so it means that from now on, after restarting your device, you will have to enter the new one. So actually this is it. This is how to change the SIM pin in your Samsung Galaxy F12. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.